Wow, what a great weekend it was around Puget Sound. Lots of sunshine out there and warm temperatures. We peaked out temperature-wise on Sunday. Got up into most places in the mid-60s to right around the low 70s, especially down there in the South Sound. And great time to go out and see everything that's in bloom right now, that's for sure. It's been a pretty good month in terms of our temperatures. We've had 13 days in the orange, 13 days with above normal temperatures, 12 days with below normal temperatures, and one day that hit right on the normal temperatures. That doesn't happen very often. Our coolest day so far is 14th. We only got up to 47 degrees, and then we just transposed those for our warmest day, 74 degrees on the 19th. We had a couple of days above 70 back to back, which was pretty nice, and we may see some more as we head towards the weekend. Our precipitation overall was pretty scarce in terms of the number of days with rainfall so far this month, but the good news is that when we did get rain, we got quite a bit of rain, which we really need right now. We don't want to go into the drier summer season with rain deficit, but we may, for this month, we're probably going to end up below normal in terms of our precipitation. We're at 2.85. 3.18 is the normal for the month of April, and I don't think we're going to get more than maybe 1 or 200ths of an inch between now and when May arrives on Friday. So we will be below normal. With that, this will be out of the last 40 months, this will be the last 30 of those have been below normal in terms of precipitation. So it's a lot of dry months that have been mixed in, but there's been a couple of really wet months in there as well. Just think back to last December and all those atmospheric rivers. Checking the Bellingham Tower cam, shaking just a little bit, just a south wind there, and mostly just that onshore wind coming in right now, bringing all those gray skies that we have around Puget Sound. Sharp contrast we've had in recent mornings, that's for sure, but that's going to be with us until probably around mid-afternoon. Then we should start to see it break up a little bit, and we should have some sunshine to head into the evening hours for sunset, but then the clouds are going to reform pretty quickly overnight tonight. So we'll see the clouds this morning, some clearing this afternoon. You might see a chance of a shower out towards the coast today. There's a little weak system kind of brushing by us, and maybe up in the mountains might see a couple of showers this afternoon. In the lowlands, though, highs today only upper 50s and low 60s, so about 10 degrees cooler than yesterday. Even a little bit cooler on Tuesday, a little bit better chance of seeing some spotty drizzle in the lowlands. And then as we head towards Wednesday on and through the weekend, we're going to be looking for sunshine and those temperatures in the 60s with some low 70s out there. In fact, it might even get a little warmer than that as we head towards Sunday. Checking the satellite image, lots of clouds out there. This is basically the low clouds that got pushed in from the coast that are over us right now, and those extend out over a good portion of the Pacific. And you see this little area of high clouds here, that's a little disturbance that's going to brush by us tomorrow. That is going to help to lift some of this low-level moisture and may give us some drizzle around the Sound and some showers up in the mountains. But once that moves through, high pressure is going to push in, and that is going to put us into a fair weather pattern for the remainder of the week, which is good because we want to be able to see that full moon on Friday. It'll be the full flower moon. It'll be rising at about a little after 9 o'clock on Friday, but there's going to be 2 full moons in the month away, which makes the second one a blue moon. It's not going to look blue, but that's just the definition of what a once in a blue moon would be. So you can see we're going to be seeing that this month, and this is the only one that we're going to have this year. I think they happen about every 33 months or so. You're going to have a blue moon. So we'll hopefully get to see that nice full moon as we head towards the end of the week. Computer model shows short term, if it was happening now, we're not going to see much. We put that into motion. You see a few possible showers out there towards the coast and some showers possible up in the mountains during the day and the afternoon today from that little passing system. And then that little bit stronger one kind of moves by for tomorrow, and that is going to give us a chance of seeing a few scattered areas of drizzle around Puget Sound and some showers up in the mountains. But as we head towards Tuesday night into Wednesday, high pressure begins to build in, and we're going to clear overnight Tuesday into Wednesday and get back into that sunny pattern. So something to look forward to. Checking our temperatures today are basically cloudy skies with some afternoon clearing up and down Puget Sound. Mostly upper 50s and low 60s up there in Skagit and Whatcom counties. See, as you get down into Snohomish County, a little bit cooler there with the onshore winds coming out of the strait, mostly in the mid to upper 50s today. Checking there in eastern Washington, we've got the temperatures there with partly to mostly sunny skies getting into the 70s over towards the Cascades east slopes, but get over in the eastern portion of the state quite a bit cooler with those temperatures only in the upper 50s and low 60s. Looking across the passes, well, that marine deck just up to about 3,000 feet, so we're seeing a little bit of fog and low cloudiness across Snoqualmie Pass, but the other higher passes like White Pass seeing sunshine there and bare pavement. And White Pass ended their ski season yesterday, as did Crystal Mountain, and that is the end of lift service skiing in the Cascades for this season, as a sign that summer is headed our way. And of course, that snow is melting pretty fast up there now. You can see the temperatures up at Snoqualmie Pass today pushing that 50-degree mark, and they'll be warming back up well into the 50s as we head towards the end of the week. And that extended forecast, they might see those few showers tomorrow, of course, with high snow levels, and then we get back into a pattern with a few clouds, but basically sunny skies and those temperatures pushing into the 50s to even some low 60s as we head on towards the weekend. So for today, basically upper 50s and low 60s. Tomorrow we're going to be looking for those few scattered areas of drizzle. The temperature is even cooler, only getting into the mid to upper 50s tomorrow, so it's going to seem very chilly compared to what we saw over the weekend. As we head on towards midweek, though, and the sun comes back out again, we rebound quickly into the mid 60s to low 70s, go up even to some mid 70s in the South Sound as we head towards Thursday. But then we're going to be brushed by another weak system moving over the top of the high pressure. Not going to give us any precipitation, but it will cool our temperatures down on Friday into the low to mid 60s. Still not all that bad. And then as we move into the weekend, the high pressure is going to strengthen, and we'll be looking for those temperatures to rebound, getting into the mid 60s to low 70s on Saturday, maybe the upper 60s and low to mid 70s on Sunday. And if we check the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you can see we peak out on Monday. They're pushing up close to 80 degrees. That may adjust as we get a little bit closer to it, but we still stay mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s as we head into that first week of May.